Printful integrates seamlessly with Amazon Seller Central for print on demand, POD, products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Orders auto-fulfill without inventory. Requires a professional seller account, $40 per month, and GTN exemption, free 2 to 5 days approval. Setup steps: create Amazon professional account. Go to sellercentral.amazon.com, sign up, choose professional plan, select regions, for example, North America, US, Canada, Mexico. Pay monthly fee. Request GTIN exemption. In Seller Central, inventory, add a product, search any item, select I'm applying for a GTN exemption. Submit form with product category, for example, apparel, website link, and images. Approved products, skip UPCs. Sign up for Printful. Register free at printful.com, dashboard, stores, connect, Amazon, log into Seller Central, authorize access. Select selling regions, design and publish products. Printful catalog, pick item, for example, Bella plus Canvas Tee, upload design, generate mockups, publish to Amazon, set price, listings sync instantly, manage orders, customer buys on Amazon, order auto sends to Printful, printed, shipped in 2 to 5 days. Tracking updates in Seller Central.